like alerts. I didn't know that they had all this. Wait, what? They're so cute. No way. I thought I did add the extension.
It's showing at the top.
Yeah, it says I added it. I don't know if I have to add a scene or if it's just a browser source or...
Well, when I open up the extension, it just says follow. That's all I see in there.
See, I don't want that though. I feel like that's just, it's so ugly. Oh, there he is. Like, I don't want the extension at all. Like, fine for me in OBS.
Oh.
I reckon it's something that I've done that I need to change. This is kind of an unlucky... him. This is a really shit map for him, actually. That doesn't mean he can't do something with it. I gotta sneeze. Wait, I have to sneeze, Wesker. Damn it. Pretty sure it's just a browser source. Yeah, okay. I don't know.
Oh, basement.
I'm not sure. Because I really don't want the extension there. I'm gonna remove it. It's so ugly. I don't want it. I don't want it. Should we leave? Probably, yeah. Let's go. Sounds like it's coming back. Bye-bye. I'm gonna mend. Ooh. Yeah, I'll mend and get a spray. I'm multitasking and I'm going on my phone and I'm Googling how to set it up to see if I did something wrong. Please don't come for me, sir. Please, please, please. I'm just a girl. Just a Christmas girl. Oh. He's on his way. He's gonna cut me off? Where is he? Oh, he's trailing me. Hi, AJ! What set up wrong? Oh, I'm trying to set up sound alerts, but I didn't really like it's like where is Wesker? All I did was add a browser source. I didn't really read how to do it, so it's possible I need to wait. He's here? Are you able to trade? Because she's gonna go second.
I'll have to try. Yeah.
That's a shame. Dunno. Who wants that kill? Thirsty for it. Where the fuck are the gens? Where are they?
Main's been done. I don't know where the other one is that's been done.
Camaraderie. I'm a camaraderie. I feel like I've just been walking around for 10 years. There we go. I'm too sleepy to help figure it out. Hello. Let me just... Oh, heal and then spray. Oh my god, it's everywhere. Oh no, bestie, we have to come get you. Oh my goodness.
running him around.
I use Streamlabs. But my audio is all separate, so that could be the issue. Like, I have mine split. It says you have to activate sound alerts and implement the browser source. Did I give it access? Surely I gave it... Okay, Sable's coming in. Surely I gave it access when I logged in. Create a new source called sound alerts. Oh, I think I might have missed whatever this step is. Properties pop-up will appear. Paste your copied sound alerts. Okay, there's something I've missed. There's something I've missed, I think. Hi! Let me give it to... Oops. Let me give it to tickle. Give access audio, set it to audio and output. Okay, and this is in sound alerts itself. Oh my gosh. I need to like just stop for a game and set it up. But I keep doing it between games, so it's taken like 10 years, even though I think it's really easy. Whatever it is. Oh, that's in Streamlabs? Okay. So am I doing that for the source?
I got stuck on the doorway.
No. I think we're cooked, guys. I think we're cooked. I hope Jake has gone in for the unhook. Did you go hooked over there?
Chase. Sable, though. Yeah, you're so right.
I'm coming. Has he in there? Has he gone for her?
He's nearby it, but he's not going down.
You're joking. No, she's gonna die. Why? I thought he would have gone to get
He's
her.
been hanging around the basement. He's not really been
What?
doing anything.
Why?
Yeah. I don't know. He hasn't really been on a gen. Hasn't taken chase for very long.
Well, that sucks. I
don't
feel
know.
bad.
Playing like almost a new player, really.
Yeah, but their names just feels like they're not. For the source,
know.
yes. Okay. I will thank you. I will I'll have a look and a tick. No, I think you just need to do a hot compress, right? I don't think there's much you can do it. I have a song that you need to listen to. Oh, I'll put it on after this. Do you want me to get the unhook?
You might have 3 gens. Yeah.
I'm
Or if you
going.
can take chase, I can go in.
Or should I just hang around basement and not get him? Just kidding.
Honestly, tempting, but he Nice, killing himself on hold.
Welcome back, Mirrors. You have to break into your own house.